Hey guys, what's up back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making a neon Garfield and I need some sleep right now. So let's go to the nursery. I need to get fast. Oh no. Why? I didn't even press it over here, did I? At least I'm not too far. Oh no. No. Please stop teleporting where I don't want to go. So let's go to the nursery now. What is happening? I didn't even press it over there. Don't hold anything. So there's a lot of stuff here. So let us go to sleep. We're gonna be making Indian Garfield. I can't wait. Come on, be faster. Come on. I just hate it when they wait with this wet screen. Can this be any faster? I swear if I disconnect. Come on, please be faster. I have what's the channel? Come on, please be faster. Is the internet just so low? Wow. This is just oh my. Come on. Oh yes, right here. Hello? I was just here. Did something? What? Wait, what happened? I think I should reset my character. Oh my, I hate it when that happens. Wait, what? You need to go camping? What's happening? I'm just gonna walk my house right now. It's literally morning. Should I take a bath? You're not going. What? You know what? We're not going to camping. We're just gonna search for a crib. Oh no, I added 0. Crib there. Come on. This is a lot of stuff to work for. You need to sleep before you go, baby. Yeah. No. Just hold this. Oh, I love it when it does this. It's like floating on the floor, like sleeping. Let's teleport to the stroller so it's easier to go to the playground. I don't want to go to camping. It's very far away, to be honest. Just need to wait again. Hope we don't go out of the world. Come on. Yes, we're the first one here. I actually don't like being the first one because I feel like I'm alone. Yes, I like the trampolines. Come on. Yes. I'm not good with driving with cars, and not at me. To be honest, I'm not joking. Like, no joke. Come on. I think this is the last thing, right? I'm not sure. So let's go. This is actually very cool. Oh, close it. I just got used to that. Did you actually see that? Why do we need to go camping? It's fine. Let's just go there faster. Come on. I have no time to load right now. I'm not joking. Yes. No. Okay, just got hit by a tree. Got hit by a tree. I'm definitely fine. There's camping. Does it actually need to go camping? I swear if it's... Yes, it actually needs to go camping, and I believe that's the last thing. Why, how can you go through this? Like, how can you go through this tent? Like, blop, blop. Why does camping take forever? I guess it's worth it because you get 18 bucks. If you just get 10 bucks, I swear that is not fair. This is taking forever. I think this is the last thing. I hope so much. No, we need one more thing. Are you serious? Doesn't it? It doesn't need anything for now. Oh, okay. Let's just go. Okay. Oh, I actually went so far. I thought I went like to the bridge. Actually went here. Oh. Can you do something? I'm gonna drop you off the bridge. Can you please do something? Like maybe eat something or drink? Yeah. This is actually getting so boring. Oh, look, it's a egg with it. Oh, it's a new person. I think this is a scam because how do you get a cracked egg? That's 250. And that, how do you have no name? You need to do a hack for that. I think it's fake. I'm not sure about that. Oh, that's a huge albino monkey. And it's even neon. Actually, I don't know if it is. Hi today, I'm trading for our albino monkey. And then for turkey, dream pet neon diamond. What do you mean neon diamond? Like, do you mean like a diamond pet? Like a diamond dragon, diamond unicorn? I have none of that. Except a golden penguin. I'm not joking, I actually have one and it's not neon though. It's actually here. And then I'm gonna make these neon. And I'm actually gonna make a mega neon monkey because I have a lot of those. I just need to wait until this Garfield needs some. What? Sorry, I can't use the chat. Yes, it's finally thirsty. Yes, let's go to school because I don't have any drinks. Come on, please be faster, internet. Yeah, I know it's been a while that I haven't posted a video. I'm so sorry for that because I took forever to send a video. BTS BP, what's that? I wonder. I know BTS, but what's BP? Comment down below if you know. Actually, don't know. Yes. Oh, it's fully grown. Let's just let it sleep and let's make it neon. Oh, just go to sleep, little Garfield. Just go to sleep. Dude, you got my spot. How? Why is there no buttons? It's fine. Definitely fine. Please, just please. Yes. No. I'm getting out of here. Come on, let's go. That guy said something, right? Pets, please. Why? Why will I do that? I'm not sure why will I do that. I need an explanation. Come on, internet. Come on. I need to go to the nursery. Oh, you're poor? I don't think that's real. Because, yeah. I don't believe people that's poor. I'm sorry. Because, the game. Because, they could be scammers or not scammers. Sleep faster. ABC what? See, ABC if you have a full-grown chocolate Labrador. I do have a chocolate Labrador, but it's not fully grown. What's Cookie Fan? Oh, I think she really loves cookies. That's why she's called Cookie Fan. Okay, that's nice. I do love cookies so much. Just milk and cookies. Delicious. I could eat it right now if I just had some cookies and milk. I do have milk, but not cookies. Because we already ate them. Don't flex. Okay. I don't flex. I actually don't. Only sometimes. Just sometimes. Come on, let's go in. I can't wait to make this neon. Fly will ride the wall neon. I swear if you can't make this neon, I don't know what to do. But, hello? Do I need to talk to her first? I'm gonna talk to her first, just in case. Just skip. Yes, I can make it. Yes. Did my FR here. Please, but go in, just, okay, don't be shy. I can't wait. What? Did you see that? It was double. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh my. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please give this a subscribe and a thumbs up. Bye.